Good afternoon. I'm Lieutenant Ricky Kennedy, coming to you from Fayetteville Fire Station 14. Cooking fires is considered to be the #1 cause of house fires. Usually these cooking fires ignited by grease. Knowing how to respond quickly could be the difference between a minor kitchen fire and a devastating disaster. If you're ever in a situation when you have a grease fire, follow these tips. Never try to extinguish a fire with water. It will not extinguish the flames. It will only make the fire bigger and less manageable. Try to turn off the heat source from the burner element. If it's a small fire, try smoldering the flames with a lid or another pot or a cooking sheet. If that doesn't work, grab a fire extinguisher if one is available. If you're unable to extinguish the fire, you and your family members need to leave the house, call 911. Here are a few safety tips to keep in mind when cooking. Never leave food, grease, or oil cooking on the stove unattended. Keep combustible items like pot holders, towels, paper, plastic items from the burner. Keep the pot handles turned inward to prevent accidental spills. Keep children away from the stove while cooking. Follow these safety tips and have quick and proper reaction can minimize damage as well as prevent injury or death.